This is how we're doing it, huh? Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. I have...
I just nodded.
I have Eric with me.
One take. We have one take, and it's already started.
Really do this one take. I have Eric with me.
Hi.
What'd you
Hi.
bring?
A latex glove and a Roku Ultra.
I don't even want to know why you got the glove. It's really freaking me out.
I was thinking this morning about how the people that win our raffles, we do raffle these products away, as you know. All they have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And it's not going well. This is what happened with the first one. Anyway, I was thinking about how they get this product and they don't want our bacterium and our dead cells and all. We're touching everything on this, and then somebody gets it and they're like, yuck.
I thought this was going to be the product we finish in under 5 minutes. It will not be.
Let's do it.
What'd you get? Roku Ultra.
Roku Ultra.
Brand new Ultra.
The new Ultra.
New Ultra.
It's an Ultra.
Don't be confused with the old Ultra.
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up.
I'm already confused.
Stop being confused.
It's too late.
The box is beautiful, as always.
Thank you.
Right? You did a good job, Eric. Okay. Back of the box, again, just kind of goes over the general features, everything they have to offer. If you guys don't know, Roku is probably the only streaming provider in this space that has decided to really support the CD market. They've done a couple different things in this market to help support you guys. They make some really aggressively badass streamers.
Can we say that on TV?
We just did.
It's the internet.
It's the
It's the wild,
we can
wild
do all
west.
kinds of things. Let's
So,
get in.
Do
Can
it.
we get in?
Yes.
You
What
wanna do
is a Roku Ultra? We should start there, right? The streaming media.
Read it.
Roku Ultra, our ultimate streaming player, powerful quad-core processor, and our best wireless performance. Lost remote finder and private listening.
That's what it is.
That is what it
That
is.
is what it is. They tell you
what it is.
We don't
So, video streaming, all kinds of online video channels, content, some of the most 4K content on the market from a streamer, right? Some of the easiest to access.
I have a house full of Roku products.
I know you do. I know you
do.
do. You're going to carry this episode as a
Oh,
matter
you
of
don't
fact.
know anything, huh?
Very little.
That's why you're going to tell us.
And even less about a Roku.
What is that?
This is a Roku Ultra media streamer. So you've got your HDMI output here. You've got a micro SD slot on the back. You've got your Ethernet connection for hardwire.
What's the SD slot for?
Storage, Drew. SD. What is that? Scan disk? Is that what's going on? Yeah, for extra storage. So you can store additional content on here. I've always been saying with our guys, the sales guys, if you're putting in a high-end TV, if you're putting in a 4K TV, if you're putting in an 8K TV, if you're putting in a TV, let's not stop there. If you're putting in a projector, you should have some sort of a video. I thought you were going on my mouth with that. I thought you were trying to shut me up. You should have one of these in there. The customer should have immediate content, really high-end, good quality video. Oh, I love Roku. That is true. I will tell you one thing. When I wear my Roku shirt, more people stop me anywhere. Like, I have your product. I have your product. I love your product. They're all over the place.
The Ultra is pretty amazing. So for you guys out there that may not know some of the bigger differentiating features in like the Ultra compared to like a streaming stick or something like that, a lot of people say, well, they're all 4K and they have HDR. So the Ultra comes with a much faster processor, and it also comes with quick launch. One of the bigger things I enjoy is that it does have a direct Ethernet port on the back. Mm-hmm. So a stick won't have an Ethernet port, so you're always running on Wi-Fi. This can plug straight into the router or modem. That's a killer feature for someone who wants to stream 4K content. Wireless signal's not known for consistency, technically. So
Neither am I.
Connection, no.
Hey, you glossed over it. What is quick launch?
Quick launch. So they added this feature in this year to a couple of different products in the line. And what quick launch does is kind of remembers the apps that you use most often. And then when you go to load those, instead of having to load them all the way back up, it actually keeps some stuff in its cache and it loads them quickly. Yeah. So for me, I have a baby at home and YouTube is pretty much the world, right? So when we're changing him, he's crying and freaking out, waiting, even if it's 5 or 10 seconds for YouTube to load.
Are we talking about Baby Shark now?
No, we don't do Baby Shark.
Oh, God.
We do Sesame
Good
Street.
Lord.
Yeah,
so the video starts right away.
Goes right into
really
the
quick.
app. Instead of it taking 10 or 15 seconds, it loads up in about 2 or 3 seconds. Mm-hmm. So it's very, very impressive to go into that, which is a neat piece. You talked about the remote finder, so very easy button right here with the remote to find the remote. I will call out on the remote some of the stuff I like about it personally. I do use it a lot. They have volume control on the side. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but they do have volume control buttons on the side. It can power the TV on and off. So it can be for a bedroom, kind of a universal remote for a bedroom type scenario. Does have a voice control button. So you can search through the library with voice control, which is killer. And then they've
I
always
have
got the
used
quick
that,
launches.
and it is amazing how clean it is, how quick it picks up, finds the content that you're looking for. And it's almost anything, right? You can voice control to a particular actor, actress, channel, movie, sitcom, category, show me sports. I mean, just about anything, and it'll pop up and give you results.
So I used to tell everybody that the best reason that I liked Roku was that it's agnostic and it would search for a movie on all platforms. So if the movie is on Netflix, but it's also available to purchase on Amazon, if you had a Netflix subscription, it was free. It shows you it's free on Netflix compared to costing, $20 on Amazon or whatever it may be. So you can search and actually see where is the best place to watch what you want to watch as well. And it tells you the resolution available on the subscriber. So really cool. The search is really one of the best functions for it. They actually added these two smart buttons now. So you can actually, this number 1 and number 2, again, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a 1 and a 2 on the remote. You can actually record a voice command and then program it to one of those buttons so that it will always do that command.
Will it also audibly say your voice command back at you when you press number 1?
No, it does not.
That's a shame.
What are these,
I
Eric?
feel like they should have done that. AA batteries.
That's a good call. Are you sure?
I'm not sure. I have a bunch of these at home, so I'm going with yes.
You should be sure.
We got the power cord, we got the batteries for the remote. You were mentioning the stick, right? So there's a few different pieces in the lineup. This is absolutely the go-to piece for the custom integrator. It's the value piece, right? They come in at a good price point. You make some good dollars on it, but this one is the one that you want to go with based on the promos and the pricing. Headphones. So that's another cool feature. You mentioned that it's got a headphone jack on it, right? So you can privately listen through the remote control while the baby's sleeping, in your case, and not bother the rest of the house.
So nice thing on these are JBL headphones. So just call out a little bit of quality they add in here. And there is a secret code.
John Boy Louder. It took me that long to come up with some JBL something or other.
It was really bad. There's a little bit of a secret code if you're a scenario like me where you have to. So my wife does not like to hear the TV necessarily when she goes to bed. Doesn't want to quiet, so the TV volume is low. You can actually plug this in and listen to the TV volume and this at the same time. To do that, you plug this in and you push volume up 3 times, volume down 3 times, volume up 3 times. I think that's it. They'll correct me if I'm wrong, like up here.
It's not the up, down, left, right, BA, start Nintendo thing?
Do you know what that is?
Oh, yeah. Super Mario, power up, you get the special lives, all that stuff.
Contra.
Contra.
Don't come in here with these.
It was Mike Tyson
garbage.
Punch Out for me. That's where I was at.
Get out of here.
Whatever. Roku.
Does come with stickers as well. Eric's got one.
We could have started right here with the what's included. Could have just shown the picture. Didn't have to destroy the packaging, right? So now our germs are all over the product. We're also going to package it with a latex glove.
Who do you want to thank for the product?
I want to thank April Lewis primarily for the product. April Lewis, right? She says her husband Robert Lewis was supposed to be on the shirt. She didn't put it on there, but she's a big fan.
Oh.
So I want to thank April, and I want to thank Robert Evans and Roku for the product.
Oh, well, thank you. I hope they comment and like and subscribe or whatever they order. I never get it right. It's over there.
It's like, comment, subscribe, I think.
Is that backwards? Did you do it Hebrew?
Yes. Elohimcha via. Oh, I'm not going there. That's bad words. Elohimcha via ni'imachotcha. Do you speak Hebrew?
No, I don't.
You shouldn't.
Let's go ahead and recap real quick. We got the remote. It's got the voice control, the universal capabilities. We've got the JBL headphones. We have the actual Roku unit with the remote finder. We have the power supply, the batteries. Eric's glove. We'll put it in there for you guys. A sticker. You're only going to get one sticker because Eric has the other somewhere on this shirt.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Instruction manual.
We can
Give
send
it away,
him the
guys.
sticker and the shirt.
No, you do not want Eric's shirt. I promise you.
You know, you're looking very hairy up here, Drew.
It's looking good.
Have you been getting comments on that?
Yeah, not from these people.
So much, no.
Not so much. No.
All right. Roku, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Oof.
Now,
Well,
wave.
you got to stop
Wave.
doing that. No,
Get a wave.
this is a wave.
This is a wave.
This is a salute.
Is it?
You got a
No,
wave.
That's not a
You
salute.
could
It's
you
like
could
a
you could 2 finger across. You
like
could
a-
like do that.
thing. It's like a thing, you know?